The officer just pulled me over for no reason. Said I got a seatbelt on. I ain't have my seatbelt on. So he wanna sit there and say I ain't have no seatbelt. And he pulled me over for no reason. But I got my seatbelt on the whole time. And he got like, he ain't called no backup, no nothing. He just pulled me over one of my license. His rule for I ain't had no seatbelt on. But I seen him following me the whole time. Guess what? He ran my name. He see I got a record. So he want to motherfucking pull a nigga over for no reason. Right here. For no reason at all. He got my license. He said I ain't have my seatbelt on. We got another officer. Hey, what's your name and badge number?
Me?
Yeah, what's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Whalen.
How you doing, Sarge?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing all right.
What's wrong?
I'm just recording for your safety and mine.
No,
But
you're
your officer
recording
just,
for yourself, but that's fine.
but
You're allowed to do that.
your officer pulled me over for no reason. He lied and said I didn't have my seatbelt on.
Okay.
My window's been rolled down the whole time. I got legal
I'll tell you
tent.
this, sir. If he issues you a citation, you have the right to go to court.
That's fine, but I'm letting you know as the supervisor that this ain't my first rodeo. He know that. He been following me for the longest.
Okay, well you can talk to these other officers too.
Officer, what's your name and badge number?
What's my name and badge number? Deputy Smith.
How you doing, Deputy Smith? I'm trying to figure out what was the legitimate. You weren't the one who pulled me over, but
No, I just showed up.
Are you the supervisor also?
I am not a supervisor.
They pulled me over for no reason. Said no seatbelt. He felt like, I know he probably ran my name.
Alright, well just sit tight, okay?
Hey, officer, I just want to congratulate you on being, you took an oath to uphold that law, and guess what?
Sir, do me a favor, step on the car.
For what, sir? For what reasons?
Because I'm asking you to step on the car.
For what reasons do I got to step out the car?
Because I'm asking you to.
Is there a reason I should step out the car?
That's Supreme Court case law.
Which law is that, sir?
Savannah versus Mim. Step out the car, please.
Sir, is there a reason I should be stepping out the car?
Look, all right, listen. You're making this bigger than
it ain't bigger. I'm taking off my seatbelt.
Okay, go ahead.
Is there a reason I should be stepping out the car, sir? Can you please tell me?
Just explain the case law to you. It's called Pennsylvania.
But why do I have to step out my vehicle?
You're going to go to jail.
All right, man.
All right.
Get over here.
You searching me? I do not consent to any searches or seizures. I have not done nothing. You have lied and said I did not have my seatbelt on, so I do not consent to any searches or seizures.
All right, go over there. Hey, just do me a favor, bro. Hey, just don't hit my car.
Violation of my Fourth Amendment rights. not have any probable cause to search my vehicle. Hey Sarge, I don't appreciate you let your fellow officer just search the vehicle like that. I know you ran my name, you probably seen I got a background, he thought he struck gold today. But I have nothing illegal in that vehicle.
What's up?
I have nothing illegal in that vehicle. Law-abiding citizen. Besides this,
Yeah.
it was going good till y'all violated my rights.
Well, I'm just backing him up. I just got here, alright? I can't speak for him.
Well, I don't blame you. You ain't really been a-hole or nothing, but he the one that should not be an officer by the law no more. Because I am a law-abiding citizen. And he thought he probably ran my name. He been following me the whole way down Military Trail. Was not speeding. I had my seatbelt on. He pulled me over. And lied deliberately. He wouldn't even tell me initially why he pulled me over.
I can't speak for him. I don't speak for myself.
Then he stepped me out of the car. The sergeant right there didn't even tell him why. He ain't even got no reason.
Well, you know, the Supreme Court says, Pennsylvania v. Spence says that you will get out of the car if we ask you.
That's not accurate, sir.
Alright, we'll research Pennsylvania v. Spence. Alright. U.S. Supreme Court states that your mere inconvenience of you being out of the vehicle since you're already detained during a traffic stop. Alright?
What's the probable cause of searching my vehicle?
Can I ask him? He's the one that pulled you over.
I'm going to work. I just came from the mechanic shop, picked up 2 tires, and I'm going to work. Change clothes and jump in my work truck to go do some more work.
Alright, what do you do for work?
I do roadside service. I provide for you guys.
Well, be safe out there.
I do.
Highway's a little rough.
I know.
For AAA or the Rangers?
No, I'm self-employed. I don't work for nobody but myself.